Hello, my sisters. Today I gave my sisters a model. Top middle age. The lotus leaf, that small lotus leaf. This is a small shirt, guys. Then the button is here, and the sleeve is empty. Then you can sew this style. Linen or silk is very cool to wear. So now we're going to design this template together. This model has a non-stop line, so it's you. If you break it down here, it's a two-way street. I broke into more. Then, after you break to inches, we will. There's this way you step back. Let me be one half of that road. So we're going to cut the back. That's what I put the shit on. In the middle of this splint. And when we calculate the path that, fortunately, we'll figure it out in the middle. If you wear this shirt, you will get a of the shirt that I took for myself about 57. And shirt 57. I built a perpendicular line through from this middle road, you guys. To build a perpendicular line through, then I'll take the shoulder. Dividing 2 is equal to 32. 2 is equal to 16. I take a line that is equal to 16 and then lower it to 4. If you take her, you will divide her by 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. I put 6 in. I wear this shirt with wide armpits, so you will take it. Lower chest is with chest divided by 5 plus 2 divided by 80 divided by 5 plus 2 is equal to 18. I took it down to 18. You tell me a perpendicular way through. And this perpendicular line, I'm also calculating in the middle of this road. Then you divide the chest by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. I got 22. Let me lower my waist by 35. I built a road. And you'll take it across the waist. Waist source divided by 4 sisters plus 2. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 18. I took a road that was 18. Then I took my ass. If you get your ass here, you get your ass. Divide by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. Well, with measurements like 80, 64. The measurements waist chest butt. 2. Neck shoulders are the numbers change. You will measure according to the measurements on your body. Let me get a. The measurements are right and you will be. These numbers are here. I'm connected here. This line was the line. Hips half. So here I'm going to be 1.5 inches. And here you build me a perpendicular line. Hey, back up. Give me to gas. Let's split it in half again. The old part. Come down here and give me 6 inches. So I built a square. Across. Well, I'm going to put a straight line down and I'm going to go through it. Split in 2. Split in 2 again. Then we'll get the collar, ladies. I'll get the collar. Well, for the body first, we're going to do that. Dear friends, later you will. Give me to gas. You're going to come in today. Give me 7 glasses. This is 0.7. Give me some gas here. And the neck will be connected. Then we'll get the body. And remember, this one doesn't have seams. If I want to sew, I have to cut the fabric. Be here when I'll cut the body later. It'll be smaller than a gasoline compared to the previous body. I'll cut the live for you. As for the back part, just take it. This part is me. Give it a millimeter of gasoline here. This will be the back. Later, you will cut off one body. Because this is a double fabric, when I'm lucky, I remember to leave the seam for the body. This shirt. For the previous part, you will reduce for the neck. I cut along the black line for the previous part. Then later, after I did the previous part, back direction, I'll cut off the sleeves and the collar. You want to cut the part. I'll have to measure the sleeves for a part. My arm circumference here I measured here is equal to 20. I measured 21. Then you will draw me a path from up here. Is by chest. Divide by 10 plus 5. My boobs are 80. Dividing 10 plus 5 is equal to 13. Make a perpendicular line. From top to bottom from here this is equal to a number 13. Then you will get a 20. Plus for 2 1. 20 plus 2 is equal to 4. What you divide by 2 is equal to 4. 205. Then I put the number 20 at the end. Then the first point I connected, even if I don't split in half. We will be given the hand. And hey, this hand is the miss one, so you're going to cutting. The length of the hand here is 35. And the door is here, I take it widely, I get 15. You've got 5 cups here. And this is part of. Then we'll get the part of the sleeve that we're going to cut. I'll cut off the arm and you'll expand it. And the front arm, I'll reduce to a gasoline. Then we'll get the first hand. And the back and front. And the other thing is we're going to cut the collar. Then The collar here you will do as follows. I'll measure the necklace first and then measure the necklace later. I think this is 11. If we get 11, we'll get 22. This is twice as much as you can measure. Rolled. And then from here, you split it in two. After getting one, then you will measure everything. This way for me is 3 inches. And this neck is a square foot. So I'll adjust it to square later. This is ba. You put the ruler perpendicular. I'm going to take this angle right over here. From here you will step back. 2.5, 2.5. From here, you're 4 inches. Now I'm going to go to the 2.5. Split in two. Then you'll make me the old leaf. My neck leg is 3 inches. That's 4 inches up here. 4 inches. You guys take for feces. Then we cross this line. And we'll get the square neck leaf. I cut. And this is that I cut without seams. If you are lucky, you have to cut the seams. I ironed on glue and glue myself except seam. Then I cut it on the canvas. Here we will get the old leaf. It's a shirt leaf that's square like this. Then you put the old leaf together and we'll install it. Button will get the shirt collar leaf. Today I want to share with my sisters the way we are designed for a model a shirt square neck. Well, now we'll look again. This is the body before and the body after. This is the collar. In front of the back of the collar. Well, I wish you success. If anything is not clear or look at this template without knowing how it works, how lucky is this model? Then comment below. I'll see. And if I can get 10 comments, I will. Direct sewing instructions on the fabric. Thank you. Hi. See you later.